Hello, everyone. This is Steve Afasi from Elite Business Insurance. I'm here to talk to you about the average cost of semi-truck insurance. So at Elite Business Insurance, we're a full-service independent agency. We have access to all the markets in the state of Florida, thousands of markets throughout the nation, the United States, and we shop your information around. We shop your trucking information around, and we try to find you the best coverage for the best price. Now, it's very difficult to give an average cost of a semi-truck insurance without knowing more information. So the price is going to be determined by a lot of different factors. Unfortunately, I can't give you a ballpark price, so you'd have to actually call me, give me your information, I'd have to run you some quotes. But basically, what determines the price is going to be, first off, what kind of truck you have. If you have an older truck, if you have a newer truck, what the value of that truck is, how big the truck is, what the gross vehicle weight, how much it could actually pull. That's all going to determine the price. Besides that, the zip code, where you're garaging the vehicle. If you're garaging the vehicle in a area that's high susceptible of claims and fraudulent activity, and you have a chance that your truck's going to get vandalized or stolen, then the price is going to be much higher than in the middle of nowhere where there's no theft anywhere and your vehicle should be safe from being vandalized or stolen. So the insurance rate will be cheaper in a safer area. Also, depending on who's going to be driving the truck, if you have somebody who has 2 DWIs, and he's driving your truck, you're going to be paying a much higher price than somebody who has a perfectly clean driving record. Also, if you're driving a tractor, a semi-truck, a tractor, you're going to need a Class A CDL license. A lot of insurance carriers require that you have at least 2 years of CDL experience. Some are even 3 or more. And the longer you've had your CDL, the more discounts you're going to get. So that also will determine the price. So what kind of vehicle you have, the drivers, where the vehicle is going to be parked, the driving experience, and then if you've had prior insurance. So if you have a personal auto policy and this is the first time you're purchasing a truck, you could actually use that personal auto insurance as prior insurance to give you a significant discount on quoting out a new policy. If you have prior truck insurance and you're just adding a new truck on, then you should have that prior insurance discount. Also, if you have multiple vehicles, so if you have one truck, it's going to be more expensive per truck than if you have 2 trucks, or if you have 3 trucks, or if you have 4 trucks. The more vehicles you have on a policy, the insurance carrier usually gives you something called a multi-vehicle discount. So every truck that you add on is a little cheaper. It knocks a little bit of discount off the first truck that you have on and takes off from second, third, fourth, and so on. So there's many different factors. What we could do is we could do our absolute best. We are an honest agency. We work as hard as possible to make sure that our customer is taken care of to the best of our ability. So we take your information, we shop it out through all of our markets and carriers, depending on what your needs are. If you're financing the truck, if you're leasing the truck, what your insurance requirements are. And then not only the truck itself, but usually a truck will be hauling something. So depending on what sort of business you're going to take on with your tractor, if you're going to be hauling autos across the nation, if you're going to be hauling tiles within a 100-mile radius, if you're going to be hauling hazardous material across the nation, all of these will affect the price as well, what you're actually using the truck for. So you'll also need cargo coverage eventually, depending on what your needs are, possibly general liability insurance. If you have an office, you might need commercial property insurance. So at Elite Business Insurance, that's what we specialize in, is business insurance. Give us a call. We specialize in the transportation and truckers industry. Anybody who deals with automobiles, mechanics, truckers, you name it, we write it all. So give us a call, give us a chance. We will not let you down. 1-800-850-8819, Elite Business Insurance. We are elite.